Kickoff is not going to do a hard inquiry when you apply for them. They're not going to do a hard inquiry at all. They're going to do a soft pull. They just want to verify your identity. Once they verify your identity, they're going to go ahead and give you the products that they have. Now, let me go ahead and show you some of the things since I have my Kickoff account here anyway. So the Kickoff accounts that they have, the first one I signed up for was the Kickoff credit. And I believe when you guys get that one Kickoff account, as soon as you able to get your account, then you can go ahead and apply for another account. Some people probably applying for the credit builder loan first and then getting a Kickoff credit account, but they're not going to do a hard inquiry at all. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to do a hard inquiry for their cash card, but no credit check to apply. But there we go right there. We know they're not going to do a credit check at all for you guys to apply. So no matter what you apply for with Kickoff, they're not going to give you a hard inquiry, okay? They're not going to give you a hard inquiry. So that's good. Thank you so much for that.